Morning, Jane.
Mike.
I am just curious.
Could you explain a bit more? Are you curious about something specific?
Since you are able to search web, are you able to go into my game and use keyboard AD, F to control and chop some resource? Or take snapshot or take video of you playing?
I can't directly interact with games or websites like that. However, I can guide you on how to automate gameplay using JavaScript.
Automates to chop resource sound interesting.
Here's a simple JavaScript script that simulates pressing the keys A, D, and F repeatedly to automate chopping resources in your game. This can be run in the browser console while your game is open.
Wow, let me test it out.
Glad you liked it.
It auto-chop one tree down and pick some with Action F perfect script?
Awesome.
Sure. Thank you for watching.